Hello, 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 kabayan! Yes, kumita po ako ngayon ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na check. Okay? It is a four-figure earning that I earned from my global online digital business. It is amazing business because sa bahay niyo lang po siya gagawin. Yes, basta meron kayong smartphone, laptop, internet connection, or data, your business is going to work po. And yes, ano ba ang nasa business natin? Okay? Ang nasa business po natin, hindi po tayo magbebenta. Ang ating automated system ang gagawa nun. Hindi po tayo magre-recruit. Hindi po tayo mag-shipping, hindi po tayo mag-inventory. Kahit wala kang experience sa business ay pwede. Kahit hindi ka tech savvy or mahusay sa computer ay pwede. Bakit? Because meron po tayong amazing training. Video-based training. All the tools that you need is in our training. And yes, I will be your personal mentor na coach. Iga-guide ko po kayo. I will help you to start your online business. Iga-guide ko po kayo until you succeed in this business. Yes po, ang first step is to watch our free webinar. Napaka-easy, right? Watch our free webinar. Here is my website po, www.vernamanikis.com. You just need to enter your name, your email address, check the small box there, and click register now para maka-receive kayo o makita nyo ang ating replay webinar that you can watch right away. And yes, makaka-receive po kayo ng email from me, Verna Manikis. Sometimes po, it go to junk, so just move it to the your inbox. And yes, our business po, it is legit. We file tax every year. Proven system po. Thousands of people from our global community are successful in our business. You name it, different kinds of profession. Nurses, doctor, pharmacy, engineer, firefighter. Who are so successful, they be able to pay their house, their mortgage, they be able to save something for their kids, they be able to buy more properties, and travel anywhere they wanna go. And when they come back, they have checks like me. Totoo po yun sinasabi ko sa inyo. Kasi makikita nyo po sila sa ating private community once you try our 30 days trial guarantee. Invite ko po kayo doon para makita nyo po how people earn with this business. Okay? So, ang business po natin, kahit na anong profession mo, ay pwede kang mag-start nitong business. Kasi ang business po natin is for regular people who want to earn extra from home. I know you are a hardworking mom like me. Na before, I worked in 2 to 3 facility. Now, I'm just working part-time. 1 facility in a long-term care as an LPN. I know our job is so hard. If you are a nurse like me, right? And my goal in this business is to help many more moms who want to change life, we deserve a better life. Okay? So, my dreams is to retire early, and of course I would like my husband to retire early too, because we work hard since we came here in Canada. I came to Canada 2001 and now I'm still struggling because lots of bills, right? It's so expensive to live sa abroad po, right? So we need to think for plan B. We need to think to earn extra something, not just waiting for our salary every 2 weeks, di po ba? So, and this business can help us to do that. Because I'm seeing it, okay, in our community that people be able to retire, people be able to pay their house. And that's my goal. I want to retire early, guys. So, check our business, okay? Comment in the comment area kung meron po kayong tanong. Add nyo po ako sa Facebook, Verna Garcia Manikis. And see it for yourself if this business is for you. You never know, baka ito na po ang pinagdadasal nyo. Baka ito na po ang hinihintay nyong solusyon para mabago ang ating buhay, para makatulong tayo sa family natin back home. Di po ba? As Filipino culture, we wanna help our family back home. Ang kailangan nyo lang po ay ito, laptop at saka cellphone. And you see if this business is for you, okay? Watch our free webinar, try our 30 days trial guarantee, comment in the comment area kung may question po kayo and message me. I will help you. Nandun po, when you click the message, andun po, meron po akong auto answer there. And yes, I will try to answer too. Kung meron kayong question na is not there. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all. So watch our free webinar. See it for yourself if this business is for you, and enter your email to my website, www.bernamanikis.com. Enter your email and your name and check the small box there. Click register now. And you will earn from home. Why not to check?